by a polynomial? Ramida, can you just read? What is the rule in multiplying monomial by a monomial ka? Again, this is just a quick review. Ani? Ramida ka?
To multiply a monomial
ไม่ใช่ monomial
by a monomial multiply the
coefficients
and as the exponent on power with the same base
with the same variable. This is variable ka.
with the same variable.
All right. So that is for monomial by a monomial. May try monomial. Okay. This is L. So it is monomial. Yal. So monomial. Another one is multiplying monomial by a polynomial. What is the rule for this?
Yes, teacher.
Please read the rule ka? To multiply
To multiply by a
ไม่ใช่
polynomial.
อันนี้ to multiply a monomial.
To multiply a monomial by a polynomial, multiply each term multiply each term of the polynomial by the monomial using distributive property.
Okay. You understand distributive property ใช่ไหม Do you understand distributive? Right?
Yes.
Okay. So that is distributive. You distribute the number outside or the monomial to all the terms inside or in the polynomial. So today we are going to study or continue with the topic about division. So division of monomials. The same with multiplication. We also have the rules. We also have the rules in dividing monomials by a monomial. So let's start with this one. The rule, please read the rule. Yotsapon. Please read the rule in dividing monomials. Ka?
Dividing monomials can be done if they have the same
Coefficient. Again. Coefficient. Coefficient. Yes.
And variable and the degree of the dividend is greater than or equal to the division divisor.
All right. So, do you know what is dividend and divisor, students? Do you know these two words? Yes or no? No? All right. So, dividend, it is the number that you are going to divide. For example, 10x divided by 5x. So the number that you are going to divide is what you call the dividend. This is dividend. And the number that you are going to use to divide the dividend is what you call the divisor. Your answer is what we call the quotient. Okay? Again, the number that you are going to divide is the dividend. The number that you are going to use to divide the dividend is what you call the divisor. And your answer is what you call the quotient. Understood, everybody? Do you understand dividend, divisor, and quotient? Come on, I need your answer. Understand what is dividend?
No.
When we say dividend, the first number, for example here, 5 divided by 5. The number inside, the number that you are going to divide, this one, 5 inside, is what you call the dividend. The number that you will divide to the dividend is what you call the divisor. And your answer here is what you call the quotient. So 10 divided by 5, the first number, 10, dividend. 5, divisor. 2, quotient. That is dividend divisor quotient. เข้าใจไหม?
Yes.
All right. So we also have here the rule for dividing monomial by a monomial. So let's start with this. Monomial, one term, by another one term, which is a monomial. So we have the rule. To divide a monomial by a monomial, divide the coefficients and subtract the exponents on powers with the same base. So students, in multiplication, we are not subtracting. We are adding in multiplication. ใช่ไหม? But here in dividing, you are subtracting. If you can recall our discussion about exponents last time, we discussed about the rules. So if you are going to divide two exponential numbers, you are subtracting the exponents. So for example here, we have 10x raised to the fourth power divided by 2x squared. So first, you are going to copy the dividend. So again, the first term or the first monomial that you are going to divide is what you call the dividend. You will divide it by the divisor. Your divisor is 2x squared. So again, 10x raised to the fourth power is your dividend. 2x squared is your divisor. So you are going to divide this one. Okay, first, 10 divided by 2. And it says, this one, divide the coefficient. This is 10 over 2. Subtract the exponent. So that is why x raised to 4 minus 2. So what is 10 divided by 2? Anyone? What?
5.
5. So 5 is your quotient. Okay? 5 is your quotient, but this is not yet complete. We need the variable. What is x raised to 4 minus 2?
X raised to 2.
All right, so x squared. So therefore, your answer is 5x squared, and that is your quotient. Understood? Okay, so if you have already, or if you got the quotient already, you can check it if you got it correct. So to check this one, you are just going to multiply your divisor by your quotient. What is your divisor here again, students? What is your divisor? 2x squared.
X
Very
raised to
good.
2.
Right. Can you read this one as x squared?
X squared.
All right, so x squared. So you are going to multiply 2x squared by your quotient, which is 5x squared. So let's see if your answer is equal to your dividend, which is 10x raised to the fourth power. So you will use your knowledge yesterday about multiplication. 2 times 5.
10.
Okay? 10, and then x squared times x squared.
X raised to 4.
Yes. So therefore, they are equal, meaning your answer or your quotient is correct. Understood? Okay, another example. So we have negative 27a raised to the 7th power, b raised to the 9th power, divided by 9a squared, b raised to the 4th power. So again, first, divide the coefficients. What are our coefficients? What is our dividend first? What is our dividend? Anyone?
Negative 27.
So all of this, okay, not just negative 27, but also the variable. So what is our divisor? 9,
9
A. 9A, A alay.
a raised to 2
You say squared ka. A squared. Again, please. 9A squared. Dami da.
9a square.
Okay. B.
B raised to 4.
All right. So first, divide the coefficient. We have negative 27 divided by 9. So we have here A and A. So you can start with your A first. So A raised to 7 minus 2. Again, we are subtracting if we are dividing monomials. And then proceed to your B, 9 minus 4. So what is the final answer? You can give me the final answer? What is negative 27 divided by 9?
negative 3
Correct. Negative 3. What is A raised to 7 minus 2?
a raised to 5
Correct. What is B raised to 9 minus 4?
b raised to 5
Very good. All right. So that is monomial or dividing monomial by a monomial. Do you understand? Do you have any question? No question? All
No.
right. So your knowledge about dividing monomial by a monomial, you will use it in dividing polynomial by a monomial. Don't worry, because what you have learned in this part, by monomial by a monomial, you are going to apply to this part, dividing polynomial by a monomial. So students, when we say polynomial again, it is consist of two or more terms. Okay? It is separated by plus or minus. For example, 5x plus 10. This is a polynomial because it is composed of two terms. So we are going to divide polynomial by a monomial. We have rule to follow. To divide a polynomial by a monomial, divide each term. Remember this one, of the polynomial by the monomial. So meaning you are going to divide this by the monomial plus divide this, the second term, by the same monomial. For example, okay, like this. For example, you have two terms, A plus B divided by C. So you are going to divide this first, A divided by C. Copy the sign. If this is plus, then this will be plus. If this is minus, then this will be minus. And then divide this one also, B divided by C. So that is how you divide polynomial by a monomial. For example, we have 25x raised to the 5th power minus 15x squared divided by 5x. So again, we are going to divide the first term by the monomial, divide the second term by the monomial. What is our first term in the polynomial? What is our first term in our polynomial?
25. X raised to 5.
Okay, we are going to divide it by what? Divide by
5x
5x
Yes, so divide by 5x. What is our sign? Plus or minus?
minus
Okay, minus. Divide our second term. 15x squared divided by 5x. So as what I have said, what you have learned in this, you will do it here. 25 divided by 5 is
5
5. What is x raised to the fifth power divided by x?
x raised to 4
Very good. X raised to 4. Why? Because again, you are subtracting. This is 5. The exponent of 5x here, the exponent of x is 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. How about the second term? Of course, this is minus. What is 15x squared divided by 5x?
3 x
3 what? 3x. Very good. Because this is 2 minus 1 is 1. So 3x. Okay, understood everybody? That is just one example. Another example. How many terms do we have in our polynomial? Oh, before that. Okay. I will show you that to check. Let's check, okay? I forgot to put the check. So again, we are multiplying the divisor by our quotient. So you need to apply the rule in multiplication. So what is our divisor here again, everybody? What is our divisor? Anybody? What is our divisor? The number that you divide to your dividend. What is the number that you divide to your dividend? Okay, again, when you say divisor, this is the number that you divide to your dividend. So this is your dividend. So you divided it by your divisor, meaning 5x is your divisor. So to check, you are going to use the divisor 5x times your quotient, which is 5x raised to the fourth power minus 3x. So we are going to multiply 5 times 5 is equal to 5 times 5 is equal to 25. What is x times x raised to the fourth power? What is x times x raised to the fourth power? Anyone? Raised to?
raised to 5
Yes, 5. Multiplication plus the exponent minus 5 times 3 is
15
15. X times x is?
x raised to 2
Okay, so as you have noticed, your answer is equal to your dividend. So meaning your answer is correct. Let's proceed to our next example. We have 3 terms. So again, you are going to divide each term by the divisor. Okay, again, this is the dividend. I want you to remember the words. This is the dividend. This is the divisor. Okay, so first term. Okay, give me the next step. Um. Hello, Oh, Patalawan.
Yes.
Okay, give me the first step, first term,
24a cube
cube.
b square over 6a square b.
Very good. Next, talk. 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 Hello?
อยู่ไหมคะ
Hello, teacher.
ค่ะ Okay. Second term.
Second term.
What is our second term? Okay, 24. Finish. Second term.
30 อ่ะ teacher.
Yes ค่ะ
30 a to b
A squared.
a square to
ไม่มี two. A squared only ค่ะ
a square b
B
square teacher.
B raised to 5.
teacher raised to 2 is square.
ใช่ A squared is
a
raised to 2.
square b raised to 5
ใช่ over
over 6 a square b.
all right minus now what pass what is our third term next our third term third term ค่ะนี่ 24 done finish 30 finish what is our third term
18.
A
A raised to 4, B raised to 4.
over
Over 6, A raised to 2B.
squared 6A squared Mochi 6A squared
6X square
B
B.
again 6A squared B
6A square B.
all right so that is your third term now answer the first term what is the answer for this 24A cubed B squared divided by 6A squared B who can answer Saranrate
Yes, teacher.
okay what is 24 divided by 6
Is equal to 4ab
4AB there
plus
okay just continue plus what
plus 5b raised to 4.
5b raised to 4 okay I will just write it here first 4ab plus 5b raised to 4 next
แล้วก็ minus
minus
t a raised to 2b raised to t
okay can you say 3a squared b cubed
bq
a squared b cubed
a square bq.
okay let's see so first you are going to divide and then subtract the exponent. So Saranat said 4AB, that is correct. Because 24 divided by 6 is 4, 3 minus 2 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. Very good. 30 divided by 6 is 5. Okay, and then ace, 2 minus 2 is 0. Very good. And 5 minus 1 is 4. Minus 3a squared b cubed. All right, very good, Zete. So again, if we are going to divide or to check, if you got the correct answer, divide your divisor. Your divisor is 6a squared b times your quotient, which is 4ab plus 5b squared minus 3a squared b. So your answer will be the same as your dividend. So that is the correct answer, which is 4ab plus 5b raised to the fourth power minus 3a squared b cubed. Do you understand, everybody? Understand? Do you have any question? No question? Okay. If you have no question, let's proceed to, let's test yourself. Number one, please answer number one top. Top? Hello, top.
ทักอยู่ไหมคะลูกทัก
อยู่ครับ
เชิญเรียน
Okay.
จ้ะ
Number one, what is 18x raised to the fifth power divided by 9?
นาย
What?
นาย
9?
นาย
Really?
นาย x let to 5
ไม่ใช่ What is 18 divided by 9?
x t เหรอ
ใช่
x
What
let
is
to
18? What is 18 divided by 9?
x t เหรอ
10.
2อ่ะที่เชื่อ 2
Yes, 2. So that
x
is
let to
2.
5
ใช่ Alright.
ไม่ง่ายดิวิ่ง
Why did you say 9? Okay.
I know it's subtract
Ah, it's division. You subtract only in the exponent. Okay?
โอเค
Number 2, now pass.
Negative 9
Negative 9
a let to 4
raised to?
no let to 5
What do we do with the exponent again? Plus or minus?
minus
Minus. So what is the exponent here in 3a?
3
What is the
a let to 1
Yes, raised to 1. So 4 minus 1.
3
Okay, so this is negative 9a cubed. Okay, Mochi?
yes
All right, number 3. Please answer, boss.
ฮะ
What is negative 21xy divided by negative 3x? Okay,
negative 7
negative 7. What is negative divided by negative half?
positive 7
Okay, positive 7. Next.
x 5
Okay, what is the exponent of x here?
1
1. What is the exponent of x here?
1
1. 1 minus 1.
2 0
0. So if it is 0, you are not going to write x. Okay? If it is 0, do not write anything. Proceed to the next variable. I will just write it here. X raised to 0. Do we have y here? No, Chaimai? There is no y here. So what will you do? Copy. Copy y. Okay, so what is your final answer, boss? This is x raised to 0. So do not write this one.
positive 7 by
ใช่ okay positive 7y next number 4 please answer Tay
Yes, teacher.
what is 2y cubed divided by negative y
Negative 2y raised to 2.
very good all right next number 5 Tong number 5 Tong please answer number 5 Tong hello okay no answer from Tong answer number 5 Am chat come on no Akira hello Akira come on one okay Ramida
Yes.
okay so please answer number 5 Ramida
Uh, P raised to 3, Q raised to 2.
very good because negative 13 divided by negative 13 is what is 1 okay again negative 13 divided by negative 13 is positive 1 so we are not going to put 1 so that's why Ramida's answer is p cubed 5 minus 2 is 3 q squared because 3 minus 1 is 2 all right another example this one polynomial by a monomial please answer number 1 let's start with Patalawan Patalawan hello what is 8x minus 4 divided by 2? Again. Again. I cannot hear you. Make your voice a little louder. What is 8 divided by 2? Divided by 2. This is like this, okay? So this is equal to 8x divided by 2 minus 4 divided by 2. So what is 8x divided by 2? 4. 4x minus, what is 4 divided by 2? 2. Correct. So 4x minus 2 is the answer for number 1. Okay, next, number 2. Please answer number 2. Okay, I did not hear your voice. Oh, Pichaya pa.
Teacher.
Oh, okay, answer number 2.
9x raised to 2.
9x squared.
X squared over 3x
Uh,
plus 12x over 3x
okay, answer.
is equal to 21x raised to 2.
We are dividing. 9 divided by 3.
3 x square
We are subtracting 2 minus 1.
1
Okay.
plus 4x
1 minus 1,
0
0. So we know that x raised to 0 is 1. Try mine.
yes
So we will not put 1. Echo.
Excuse me, teacher.
Huh? Oh, okay. Ka. So students, that is for division of monomials, monomial by a monomial and polynomial by a polynomial. So if you have some questions, just tell me now. Do you understand division?